Hello, this is Thomas Adrians from CSI. Today we're going to talk about enabling Dashboard V2 in Avanti Neurons for ITSM, which brings updated visuals and functionality to the dashboard feature. The link to this article will be posted in the description below. Here we can see the original V1 of the dashboards, and the way that we are going to upgrade this is by replacing this tab with a new dashboard tab. So, logged in as an administrator, you're going to go into the back end, in users and permissions, roles and permissions, and for each role that you want the new dashboards to show up on, we need to replace the home tab. So let's start with admin. I'm actually going to leave my home tab so that we can see the difference, but what you would normally do is scroll to the right here, click this X, and get rid of this so that we can just replace this with the same home tab. So when you click on Add New Tab, you're going to see a Dashboard V2 option. We'll select that. You're going to call this Home. I'm going to put Home 2 so it's different. I'm going to uncheck Close by User so it matches. And in the search tags, we're just going to put Home and add this tab. You won't have to do this too much on the other roles, but to move it to the top of admin, since it has everything, it's going to be a while. So I'm actually just going to leave that where it is and search for it. So once we refresh, it's going to be here when you replace it, but I'm just going to search for home here. This is going to bring in the new version of the dashboard. So we can see the old version of the admin dashboard and the new version of the admin dashboard. One of the new features that is in new dashboards, firstly, is the ability to clone dashboards. So in this, you can clone a dashboard and build a new one, edit or delete them from this All Dashboards view. One of the dashboard features itself is if I go to the Service Desk Analyst dashboard, edit that, is a new dashboard part called Tiles. So instead of lists and charts, you now have tiles. So say, for instance, we wanted a tile that showed the number of unassigned incidents. That's already built, but we could drag that tile in here, and that's going to give us a count of the unassigned incidents. If I wanted to see, my incidents or my team's incidents, I can come here. So you can do counts, percentages, sums, or averages. And then the search one is going to be my team's incidents. And you can see it's going to show you that count here. Oh, I think we already have my team's active incidents. My team's open incidents. So you can put these count tiles at the top of your dashboards and all your lists and charts beneath it. But that is how you upgrade to the new Dashboard V2. If you want to revert to the old dashboards, you would do the same process in reverse. You would just remove the Dashboard V2 tab and then replace it with a Dashboard tab. You can see Dashboard an option here, Dashboard V2 here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and look at this channel for more tips and tricks on Neurons for ITSM.